Hey, fourth grade. Hope you're doing okay. I've got my hair today. This one guy is just not cooperating, so we're going to try and ignore him and get through it. Here's our warm-up video for today. I'm going to show you two problems that are some review of things we've done in the past. Pause, write them down, and solve them. Then we'll come back together and do them. Okay, here are your problems. 10,197 minus 7,389. And division, 721 divided by 6. Okay, pause, write them down, solve them. Here we go. Let me change to another color so you guys can see what I'm doing here. So let's start with the subtraction problem. I'm going to start in the ones place. 7 minus 9. Well, I know that I cannot take 9 things away from 7 things. So I'm going to go next door to my tens place to do some regrouping. My 9 tenths is going to turn into an 8. And then that 7 in the ones place turns into 17 ones. 17 minus 9 is 8. Then I have 8 minus 8 in the tens place. That's 0. And then here I am with 1 minus 3. I cannot take 3 things away from 1 thing, so I need to go next door. Oh, but guess what? There's nothing there in the thousands place. So I'm going to go to the 10,000s place to do some regrouping. So that 1 in the 10,000s place becomes a 0. My 0 in the thousands place becomes 10. But I'm not done yet because I'm still trying to get all the way back to this 1 in the hundreds place. So my 10 in the thousands place is going to become a 9. And now I should have 11 in my hundreds place. Okay, I can do 11 minus 3. 11 minus 3 is 8. Okay, and then I'm going to drop my comma there to keep my place value in line. And finally, I'm left with 9 minus 7, which is 2. Okay, so final answer here is 2,808. Okay, now, sorry, I thought I was getting a phone call. Hold on. We're going to do this division. Okay, remember, for division, we talk about our steps are D, M, S, D. Add mom, sister, brother, or we can remember it as divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Okay, pause that if you want to write it down. Okay, so first step is dividing 6 into 7. That can fit in there 1 time. So that's my division step. Then I multiply 1 times, 1 times 6, okay, is 6. I drop it below the 7. Then my next S step is to subtract. 7 minus 6 is 1. That's my subtraction step. My final is bring down, my B. I'm going to bring down the 2. So I get 12. Now I have to start all over again because I have some more numbers left. 6 goes into 12 2 times. So I'm putting my 2 up here. Okay, that's my division. I marked off my D. The next thing I need to do is multiply. 2 times 6 is 12. Okay, then I'm going to subtract. 12 minus 12 is 0, and I'm running out of room here, but that's okay. We'll get through. My last step, so I need to put a little check next to my S. Last step is to bring down this 1, and then I'm going to divide again. So I actually ended up with just a 1 there. Okay, can 6 fit into 1? No, it can't. So what goes above my answer? A 0. Okay, you put a 0 there because it can't fit in at all. Then I'm going to do, so that was my division. I'm going to do my multiplication. 0 times 6 is 0. Oh, geez. Okay, so I have 1. 0 times 6 is 0. Then I have to subtract. I get 1. Is there anything left for me to... Oh, you can't see that. I'm so sorry. Is there anything left for me to bring down here? No. So our final answer here, and I'm going to erase my DMSB in the corner. It kind of got in the way. Okay. I ended up with a remainder of 1. Your answer should be 120 with a remainder of 1. Okay, and that's because when we pulled this one down, I know that the 6 can't fit in there, that's where the 0 came from. And then when I did 6 times 0, I got 0 here. My subtraction left me with a 1 and nothing else to bring down. Okay. All right, my friends, that's our warm-up. Get ready for our math lesson.